Kevin is more than a brother to me. He's supposed to be twin, but I came 3 months after. So one day you were in farm, and then something just happens. When my mother couldn't work again, he has to drop away from school and find some job so that he can raise a little bit money for me to further my education. Now I've completed. I'm hoping I'll not let him effort to go free. I'm hoping to make him so proud.
So after my first public speaking at We Want the Youth to Know, I had since then gotten a lot of DMs, a lot of messages, a lot of emails as to how well I did, which I really doubt because I was damn nervous. Yeah. But honestly, I'm going to be sincere with you guys. That has motivated me to, start this channel finally. I'd been procrastinating for a long time. It's like this channel is starting, but yeah, trust me, trying to post more stuff and take you guys behind my scene, I guess, pretty much. So yeah, roll intro. Oh no, there's no intro, sorry. Alright guys, my name is Timmy Davis. I'm a cinematographer based around the world, but I live in Lagos, Nigeria. And yeah, that sounds like a badass intro, right? I know. I just finished a project in Ghana, and it's like western region of Ghana. We had to travel to Takoradi, by flight. Actually, when I landed, our flight was cancelled basically, and then we had to travel almost 7 hours from Accra to Nzulezu. Reason why I'm here is to share my knowledge, share my few tips and tricks, and then take you behind my scenes. And I grew up in an era in this industry where there was nobody to motivate or to be like your mentor. Everybody was trying to better themselves, so it was a lot more difficult to say you want to take an interns, or you're just still trying to better your hands, and then you don't want some boarding. But yeah, so I'm going to try as much as possible to put content together and show you some of these few tricks, and then how I've been able to become myself, and then also share my journey to success. And I hope you would enjoy that, because I keep getting a lot of requests, a lot of DMs saying I want to work with you, I want to. If you know me so well, I don't sit my butt in a place. I travel the world, and it might be difficult for you to come with me or journey with me due to different reasons. So the best thing I can do is to share my behind the scenes so you can work out. That's how I learned. I used to go to cinemas or watch YouTubes endless time, spend data, and I want to save you the stress just by recording this content for you, and then you can come behind the scenes with me. I'm going to try. This is going to be a lot difficult, but I'm going to try as much as possible to record these things and edit them and post them out. And it's also going to be more like something therapeutic for me, because I think I'm quite lazy with editing and posting. Not necessarily editing, but yeah, I might be laid back when it comes to posting. I don't post my work, which is on the contrary to the book I'm reading right now. This book literally changed my insights. It changed my perspective to, not like I have any reasons as to why I do not post, but it's just, I don't know, I just can't explain it. I really can't explain it. So if you are into this type of thing, or you like my work, or you feel like I do something amazing that you really like, I think it would be nice for you to subscribe to this channel, like, share with your friends, and then leave comments below. and let's get going. Yeah, thank you so much.